In today's video, I will teach you how to generate AI landscapes for YouTube backgrounds using Magic Media. Let's get started. A great YouTube background can instantly elevate the look of your videos. With Canva Magic Media, you can generate high-quality AI landscapes that works perfectly as YouTube backgrounds, and no design experience is required. To start, log into your Canva account, and from Canva's homepage, click Canva AI to access Canva's Magic AI tools. And inside Canva's AI, you'll see a text box where you can type in what you want the AI to generate. Now click the image icon to switch to Magic Media mode, which is used for generating images instead of text. Now click Style, and you'll see a wide variety of style categories such as cinematic, creative, fashion, vector, and more. You can also choose a style to guide the overall look of your landscape, or you can leave it unselected if you plan to describe a very specific style in your prompt. For YouTube backgrounds, styles like cinematic or realistic tend to work especially well. Now we're going to describe your AI landscape. In the text box, describe the type of landscape that you want to generate. And be sure to specify that it's for YouTube backgrounds and try to be as detailed as possible. You can even include type of landscape, time of day, mood or atmosphere, lighting and color tone, and whether you want the background to feel minimal or highly detailed. You can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. And here are some prompt writing tips for YouTube landscape backgrounds. And once your prompt is ready, select the aspect ratio. For YouTube backgrounds, choose 16:9 landscape to ensure the image fits perfectly on your videos. Now press enter and let Canva Magic Media generate your images. And Canva will generate 4 AI landscape images per prompt. Now click on each image to view it up close and see which one works best for your YouTube background. And if the image looks a bit low quality, click Boost Resolution to sharpen it. If you like an image, you can either open it in Canva's editor, turn it into a poster, or repurpose it for Instagram or other platforms. And if it's not what you envisioned, tweak your prompt and generate again. Small changes can make a big difference. And once you're happy with the final result, click on the image that you like and select Download to save it to your device. Canva Magic Media makes it easy to create stunning AI landscapes that elevate your YouTube videos. With the right prompts and a little experimentation, you can generate backgrounds that look polished, professional, and totally on brand. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.